Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Medico Perks. So, in this video, I will be telling you about some basic third year MBBS tips that you must follow. So, first one is learn history taking well. It is the first and most important tip for third year MBBS. So, learn proper history taking. Third year is the time when you finally start dealing with real patients and not just books. And trust me, good history taking is more important than investigations. Always start by listening carefully to the patient. Don't rush, let them speak, ask about the presenting complaint, its duration, severity, etc. Then move step by step. And about these steps, you will be better guided by your teachers. So don't memorize history like a robot. Try to understand why you're asking each question. And I'm saying that history taking is important, not just from clinical aspect that you will be taught in third year, but also you will be asked about it in your OSPE exams as well. बिकॉज आई स्टिल रिमेंबर कि हमारी कॉस्पी थी इंटरनल एग्जाम में और फिर उसमें हमने कफ की हिस्ट्री लेनी थी सर प्रॉपर और फिर इन पर डायग्नोसिस वगैरह भी पूछा था सो इट इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट ऐसा नहीं है कि आपको वाइवास में पूछा नहीं जाएगा बल्कि यू विल बी आस्क्ड माई सेकेंड टिप इज दैट स्टडी फ्रॉम डे वन Third year syllabus is kind of lengthy, and if you delay even a little, it becomes really hard to cover later, especially block H. It is the longest and most demanding block, and it needs consistent effort. Even 2-3 hours daily can make a huge difference, so trust me, if you stay regular from day one, third year becomes manageable instead of stressful. My third tip for third year MBBS is start practicing MCQs early. Many students think that MCQs are only for the final exam, but that's a big mistake. MCQs help you understand concepts, not just memorize facts. Try to solve MCQs after completing each topic. Always read the explanation, especially for the wrong options, and that's where the real learning happens. Practicing MCQs regularly will boost your confidence, speed, and exam performance. I use TMM Super 6 book as it has topic-wise MCQs arranged with perfect explanations. Other colleges' internal blogs arranged and their keys then got shared with us via WhatsApp groups, as you can see. Another very helpful tip for third year MBBS is that try to consult the first aid book for your topics. First aid helps you understand what is high yield and exam oriented. It gives you a quick overview and helps in revision, especially when the syllabus feels overwhelming. You don't need to rely on it alone. Use it along with your main textbooks, not as a replacement. Reading first aid after studying a topic helps you connect concepts and remember them better. Another tip is to include Anki app. It has visuals which make learning and memorization much easier. I personally used Anki for pathology and honestly, it was worth it. The spaced repetition system helps you revise regularly and retain information for a longer period of time. And if you use it consistently, then Anki can really improve your concepts and exam performance. My next tip is to do shortlisting of lengthy subjects. Like if you're reading Robbins for pathology and Parekh for forensic medicine, then shortlisting is the key to success. Both Robbins and Parekh are detailed and heavy, so trying to read everything can kind of waste your time. This way, you can save time and prepare smartly instead of getting overwhelmed by too much detail. इसमें इस तरह से था कि मेरी तो ये अप्रोच थी कि फर्स्ट ब्लॉक तो इतना लेंथी नहीं होता पैथोलॉजी का, सो मैंने रॉबिन्स के फर्स्ट 2 चैप्टर्स उसे कर लिए थे, साथ पैथोमा पे शॉर्ट पॉइंट्स नोट कर लिए थे, मैंने दोनों पढ़ ली थी. बट ब्लॉकेज काफ़ी लेंथी हो गया था, सो उसके लिए मैंने ये किया था कि फिर रॉबिन्स पढ़ना छोड़ दी थी, लेकिन रॉबिन्स के लेक्चर ज़रूर मैंने लिए थे और उनके पॉइंट्स मैंने पैथोमा पर लाइक राइट कर लिए थे सारा और सब अच्छे से हो गया था फिर. So the last tip is that if you are using short book, then must watch long book lecture or any proper lecture for concept building. So that's it. And still, if any point is missing, then I'll try to add up in the comment box below. Thank you so much for watching my video. Share my video with your friends and subscribe my channel. Khuda Hafiz, take care.